Okay, Ranveer, can you repeat what is the meaning of red tag?
The meaning of red tag is which we don't need, but someone else would need it.
Okay, so what do you do with that item then?
So you first take a bag, you put the thing which you don't want, and you put it in that bag, and then you label that bag, and you can go to someone and ask, "Do you want this?"
Okay, so you're
And take
basically
it, and they
labeling
will
something
send
that
you.
you don't want. Okay, Subhan, in your video, I am only seeing you take out all the clothes and make a heap. Where are you labeling it? Where are you red tagging it? ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखा मुझे तुम्हारे वीडियो में.
That my mother has shown half video, but after that I have the picture also.
But then I have not received it. You've not sent it to me.
I have sent. See.
Yeah, I saw, Baba. I have not found anything.
Man, check once again of my clothes I have sent.
Okay. You're saying see once again. Okay, I'm just checking it right away right now. I can't see any labeling being done anywhere. Okay, Pranav, Vihan, Tanishka, what about your projects? Where is that? Vihan, you were given a project, right, to sort, label, and send the information. Why haven't you done that?
Maybe because I never did that. Because it wasn't. I did not do it as a homework.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, you were doing other homework. Now what to do? Okay. So, Pranav, what about you? Why haven't you done the labeling?
Ma'am, I have done only of a government measuring tape. Ma'am, I was retagging them.
Okay, then why haven't you sent me the photographs of that work? How would I know that you have done it? Only if you send me photographs, so I know you have correctly labeled it. But you have not sent me photographs. Why you have not? Bolo, bolo, tell.
Oh no, man,
So
Pranav has
Tanishka,
gone.
what is the meaning of red tagging? Red tag, इसका meaning क्या है?
We don't need that and someone need it. We want to keep it separate.
So तो क्या करना क्या है उसमें? Okay, you want to keep it separate. उसके बाद क्या? Is just keeping it separate. The meaning red tagging means just keeping it separate. The very word says tag. Tag means what? Tag means what?
We don't need that thing.
Tag means what? Tag. इसको tag कर दो. इसका मतलब क्या है? Tag means what? प्रणव tag करना मतलब क्या है? Tag something means what?
Ma'am, something to give anyone, labeling and giving anyone.
Labeling. I'm looking for that word label. To tag something means to label it. लेबल नहीं करोगे, उसको अलग से खाली एक बैग में डाल के रखोगे, तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो क्या है, उसको रीयूज करना है, उसको किसी को देना है? यूं ही एक बैग में डाल के रखोगे क्या कुछ जो नहीं चाहिए?
No.
Subhan, the explanation you gave to me was very correct. But where is the work? काम किधर है उसका? Labeling किधर है उसका? Labeling क्यों नहीं किया है? कोई excuse होगा, right?
Read.
Of course, कोई ना कोई तो excuse जरूर रहेगा.
I have red tag it, but I have not labeled.
No. You have only sorted it, but you have not red tagged it. That is what it is. तुमने सिर्फ उसको अलग किया है, पर उसको तुमने टैग नहीं किया है, उसमें लेबल नहीं डाला है.
Oh.
Okay, I want you all to read this for 2 minutes. I want you all to read this for 2 minutes.
Wait, I can't see the screen. It is coming. Kavita Krishnamurthy has started screen sharing.
Short series has come.
What screen I'm sharing, read it for 5 minutes. पढ़ लिया सबने? Everybody read it?
Yes.
Yeah? Tanishka, can you explain it to me, please?
Ma'am, red tag. Ma'am, we don't need, but sometimes other need. It can be a hammer or anything. It can be that thing we don't need. We want to keep it separate, and otherwise we want to throw it throw that item or keep it in a store or sell that item. We can do anything. And when we keep in store, we want to red tag it and label red tag. And when we don't need that, we will give to us to someone that you want this. When he red tag.
So how will you label it? उसको label करने का क्या तरीका है?
Ma'am,
May I say it?
No, I want Tanishka to say it.
We will cut one strip and with double tape we will write on that strip that red tag and stick to it and keep it aside or in a storeroom.
So you will only put
Yes,
one
ma'am.
sticker on it saying red tag. That's all you will do. उसमें REDTAG red tag ऐसे लिख के वहाँ पे लगा देंगे क्या?
Otherwise, we can make one space that, and we will take one big strip and we will write the red tag and full that place will be red tag and we can keep that things there in red tag. Like this also we can do it.
But Tanishka, are you just going to put the label as red tag on it and leave it there? Or are you going to give some description कि उसमें क्या है? Yes,
Yes,
Ranveer,
ma'am.
go ahead. Go ahead, Ranveer.
ma'am, we are in that strip which we have cut. No, we'll write what is there in it and we'll stick it in the bag, on the bag.
Okay. Okay, Subhan, you are looking to say something. What are you going to do?
Ma'am, in
Red-
red tag, we should first write description,
Okay.
then our address.
Description of what? About our house?
No, description about that thing.
So complete that sentence. We should write the description about that item. Okay, what else?
Man, then we should write the address, date, and time.
Interesting, interesting. Pranav, what do you think we should do in description?
Ma'am, but I have not read because of I can't see the screen.
Yennada. Yennada. Here, can you see it now?
No.
No, ma'am, I can't see the screen. It's just has
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
What is written here? Read this again. Pranav,
I
read it
can't
loudly.
see.
Okay, Tanishka,
Ma'am, I
read it
can't
loudly.
see.
Tanishka, read it loudly.
when you or
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see.
determine
Okay.
that some items are not necessary, consider the following options. Give the item or to a different department,
Hmm.
recycle, throw away, sell the item, put the item into for cases when an item.
So what are the three different things we can do with the items that we don't need anymore? We can give the items to someone else. जब हमारे कपड़े छोटे
Yes.
हो जाते हैं हम उसको साइड करके किसी और को दे देते हैं या फिर हम उसको रिसाइकिल कर
Yes.
देते हैं जैसे स्कूल में कोई प्रोजेक्ट आया या तो उसको यूज किया और उसको रिसाइकिल कर दिया या फिर अगर वो बहुत ही खराब हो चुका है तो उसे फेंक देंगे नहीं वो बहुत अच्छा है वो हमको नहीं चाहिए लेकिन हम किसी और के पास उसको बेच सकते हैं तो उसे बेच देंगे नहीं तो बड़ा है कपड़ा अभी मेरे फिटिंग में नहीं आएगा तो हम क्या करेंगे उसको स्टोरेज में रखेंगे फिर कभी हमको फिट होगा तो उसे पहन लेंगे but those are not in current use. The important thing is it is not in current use. आगे पढ़ो प्रणव आगे पढ़ो यहाँ से अरे प्रणव is not there in network. Okay, रणवीर आगे पढ़ो यहाँ से.
What, ma'am?
Read from here.
For cases when an item's value is uncertain, for example, a tool hasn't been used recently, but someone thinks it might be needed in the future. Use the red tag method. Red tags are usually cardboard tags or stickers that can be attached to the items in question. Users fill out information about the item such as location, description, name of person applying the tag, date of application.
Okay. So if Tanishka says, I don't want this item, then Tanishka has to mention her name, saying who has applied the red tag. Tanishka has applied the red tag. So if we have any questions, we will go to Tanishka and ask her, Tanishka, you have applied the red tag. Is it supposed to go to a different department? Is it supposed to be recycled or thrown away? Or is it supposed to be put into storage? Understood, Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you have understood या फिर तुम यूं ही हाँ बोल रही हो?
No, ma'am, understood.
Understood, Pakka? Okay. Subhan, have you understood what is red tagging?
Yes.
Okay.
And ma'am, how
I can't see the screen.
Of course, Baba, you are having too much network issue today. You've been on and off too many times. So now can you all once for the last time, please do this activity of tagging items around your place. It could be a bookshelf, it could be a pencil box, it could be a shoe rack. Somewhere that you keep your items. I'm sure you'll keep your items somewhere. Somewhere that you keep your items, I need you to sort it and red tag the items that are not needed. Yes, Ranveer, you're raising your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have done the activity, but I have just not red tag anything because I need everything which is there.
Okay, fine. That is all right. Yes, Tanishka.
ma'am, I don't understand that how to label other things.
How to label other things? Very simple. Suppose you're going to do this in your pencil box or in your shoe rack. You will label, you'll make a small label and say pencils. Pencils को यहाँ पे रखना है. Then you'll make a small label and say pens. Pens को यहाँ पे रखना है. Then you'll make a small label and say that is crayons. सारे crayons को वहाँ पे रखना है. Then you will make another label and you will say color pencils. फिर उन सारे color pencils को वहाँ पे रखना है. उसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Sorting. हर एक चीज को अपने अपने जगह में रखा, पर क्या सामान किस जगह में है उसका लेबल बना के वहां पे डालना है. Tanishka, are you paying attention to what I'm telling you? Because you asked this question to me. जो सामान कहाँ पे है उसका वहां पे स्टिकर लगाना है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर ये तुम्हारे कपड़ों का शेल्फ है तो तुम सारे पजामा, टी शर्ट, ट्रैक पैंट, दुपट्टा सब एक साथ ही एक के ऊपर एक रख देती हो क्या? नहीं. आई एक्सप्लेन द सेम थिंग इन द लास्ट क्लास. सारे दुपट्टे तुम एक साथ रखती हो, सारे पजामों को एक साथ रखती हो. You put all your t-shirts together. You keep your 2-3 jeans pants together, right? So what you will do, you will make a tag saying jeans and put it over there and only jeans pant will be there. Then you will make a tag saying dupatta and only that tag will be there. So you put one small sticker which says dupatta and सारे दुपट्टे वहां पे रहेंगे. Then you will make a small sticker saying t-shirts और सारे t-shirts वहां पे रहेंगे. Now if you go and see your mother's cupboard, you will see all the saris are stacked together, right? साड़ी और परकर और कुर्ता पजामा मम्मी सब एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे ही कैसे भी रख देती है क्या? नहीं, मम्मी सारे साड़ीज को एक साथ रखती है, फिर सारे परकर को एक साथ रखती है. करेक्ट? हाँ या ना? तुमने मम्मी के बैंगल्स को देखे होंगे, मम्मी की चूड़ियां. यू सी हाउ मम्मी विल सॉर्ट आउट द बैंगल्स. दे आर ऑल कलर कोडेड. सब कलर्स के हिसाब से यहाँ वहां रखा जाता है. यस और नो? या फिर सब मिक्स करके कैसे भी फेंक देते हैं और जब चाहिए होगा तब एक एक करके निकाल के उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं? नहीं. जो सारे कलर्स है, वी रिमूव देम एंड वी कीप देम टुगेदर. दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉर्टिंग. दैट इज सीरी. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर डूइंग सीरी. काय तनिष्का, किती झोपणार आहेस तू?
No, ma'am, I'm not sleeping. I
Okay,
understand.
that is the sorting that I want you all to do. And then अगर मम्मी का कोई चूड़ी टूट गया है, what she does, she just red tags it and puts it aside. मतलब मम्मी उसको रेड टैग बना के रखती नहीं है, मम्मी या तो उसको निकाल के फेंक देती है या फिर उसमें कुछ स्टोन या पर्ल निकल गया है, she will just recycle it. What she'll do, she'll just stick it on it and keep it back again. Yes or no?
Yes.
I want you all to do that. And I want this to be done and this to be sent to me today by 4 o'clock. This is my final for this. आज तुमको ये सॉर्टिंग करना है और आज के आज मुझे 4 o'clock तक इसके फोटोज आ जाने चाहिए. सुबह यू हैव ओनली डन आधा काम, तुमने पूरा काम नहीं किया है, तुमने सिर्फ सॉर्ट करके कबर्ड में रख दिया, तुमने उनको टैग नहीं किया है. तुम्हारा टैग मुझे देखना है. ओके तनिष्का, टुडे 4 o'clock I need.
हो जाएगा.
Have you understood or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav, can I expect the same from you too?
What?
Today will you also by 4 o'clock send it off to me? तुमसे भी चाहिए मुझे, मिलेगा कि नहीं?
मिलेगा. Yes, ma'am.
मिलेगा? चलो इसी बात पे 10 minutes break, snack time. चलो टाटा, snack time. Take your snack time break.